How to enable File Explorer Gallery. This tutorial shows you how to browse your pictures in a dedicated photo view right inside File Explorer. First, open File Explorer by pressing the Windows key and E at the same time. After that, look at the left side navigation pane. Let me show you. From there, click on Gallery, located between Home and OneDrive. At this point, your pictures from the Pictures folder will now display in a chronological thumbnail-based view. In the next step, click on Manage Locations from the Collection menu at the top if you want to add more folders to Gallery. Following this, click on Add a Folder and select any additional folder containing photos you want included. Once done, click on Add Folder to confirm and return to the Gallery view. From here, click on any photo within Gallery to open it directly in the Photos app. Keep in mind, if Gallery doesn't appear at all, check that Windows is fully updated, since this feature requires version 23H2 or later. Finally, right-click on any photo within Gallery anytime you want quick access to options like Properties or Set as Background. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable File Explorer Gallery, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.